Welcome back. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up and customizing workflows in Odoo Point of Sale to streamline your sales processes, boosting efficiency and productivity. Why workflows matter? Workflows are essential in a point of sale system. They ensure tasks like order creation, payment handling, and inventory management run smoothly. Odoo POS allows workflow customization, using real-time data with features like gift vouchers and discounts. Steps to follow. Step first, identify your workflows. Define the key processes your POS needs to support: order creation and processing, applying discounts and accepting payments, finalizing orders and updating inventory. Step second, map workflows to POS actions. Map each workflow to actions in Odoo POS, such as updating inventory when an order is placed or processing payments. You can also customize actions to suit your business needs. Step third, utilize the dashboard. Odoo's POS dashboard lets you track sales through daily, monthly, and yearly reports. Use filters, list views, and graphical views to stay informed. Step fourth, manage payment handling. Ensure your workflow captures multiple payment methods and generates receipts, keeping transactions organized and transparent. Step fifth, implement inventory management. Link POS to inventory management so stock levels update automatically when items are sold, returned, or exchanged. Step sixth, use multiple sessions. With Odoo POS, you can manage sales across different locations or times with multiple sessions, all within the same system. Step 7th, enhance customer interaction. Implement workflows for creating customer profiles, applying loyalty points, and handling returns to boost customer satisfaction. Step 8, define user permissions. Set up user roles and permissions to ensure only authorized personnel can perform specific actions, such as refunds. By following these steps, you'll streamline your POS workflows, improve productivity, and enhance customer satisfaction. For advanced customization, consider partnering with certified Odoo experts. For more info on Odoo, visit our website, www.o2btechnologies.com, or contact us info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.